173, which is a TikTok white, that's what you want to apply on your tip. And then we are gonna do a beautiful rainbow ombre. Nice and even. And then once you're happy, give it a 60 seconds cure. When your tip is curing, apply some neon pigments on your sponge. I have already used that sponge in the past, so I'm just going and bringing in more pigment into the same colors. So you can reuse the same sponge for all the set of the nails. Make sure each time you use the fresh eyeshadow applicator, just so you don't mix your colors. And then once you're happy with it, take a tip and just transfer that neon pigments into your tip. I like to use the tweezer for that part. And start bringing those beautiful pigments in there. Keep blending your pigments until you're satisfied. You want to bring like as much of it in as possible. And then once you're happy, we are going to apply the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel and cure it for 60 seconds. Once it's cured, you can see the results here. We are going to grab some Aurora Chrome and apply it over our tip. Nice and pretty. Look at this. Our next step is to grab the black foil transfer gel and then apply it into like a leafy design. I'm using a D-liner brush for a perfect results. Nice and thin lines. Very easy and simple summer design. Once you're happy with it, pre-long each leaf. And then give it a 30 seconds cure. Take a small piece of the gold transfer foil and then just transfer your design in here. Look how pretty it is. Reapply the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel for a long lasting results and then give it a final cure of 60 seconds. And that's how this design turned out. I hope you have really enjoyed it. If you did, hit the share button so that others can see it too.